Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Roam research content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. What follows are my personal experiences using the service. OVPN is a VPN provider that prioritizes privacy and security. They are located in Sweden, a country with strong privacy laws that are outside of the 14i Surveillance Alliance. This location offers a significant advantage for users concerned about government overreach and data retention policies. OVPN operates a strict no-logging policy, meaning they don't keep records of your online activity. This commitment to privacy is further reinforced by independent audits conducted to verify their claims. They provide apps for a wide range of devices, including Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, and Android, making it easy to protect your connection across all your platforms. OVPN supports multiple VPN protocols, including the secure and modern WireGuard, offering users flexibility and optimal performance. Beyond basic VPN functionality, OVPN also offers additional features designed to enhance security and privacy. These include built-in DNS leak protection to prevent your DNS requests from being exposed, and a kill switch that automatically cuts off your internet connection if the VPN drops, safeguarding your data. Furthermore, OVPN supports multi-hop VPN connections, routing your traffic through multiple servers in different locations for increased anonymity. For users looking to bypass geographical restrictions and access content from around the world, OVPN provides servers in various countries, unlocking a broader range of online resources. Their service includes unlimited bandwidth, enabling unrestricted browsing, streaming, and downloading. While maintaining a strong focus on privacy, OVPN doesn't compromise on performance. They operate a network of high-speed servers optimized for fast and reliable connections, minimizing any impact on your browsing experience. One unique feature offered by OVPN is the option to pay anonymously using methods like Bitcoin, further protecting user identity. Their customer support is also highly regarded, with responsive and knowledgeable representatives available to assist with any questions or issues. In summary, OVPN presents a compelling option for users seeking a privacy-focused VPN service with robust security features, wide device compatibility, and strong performance.